What's up, guys? Welcome to S1000RR Couple YouTube channel. The reason that I'm making this video is because I have some news which I would like to share with you guys. But before of doing that, I would like to thank you all for the support you brought to this channel and making it reach to the number of 3,280 subscribers. Thank you for all the comments, for all the likes and all the views that you guys brought in here. Now, the news that I would like to share with you is that I'm starting a new adventure. It's a new project for me. I will be streaming live from a Twitch account from chat area, where I will be talking about topics like training techniques that we use in KSB school. I will be talking about repairment, maintenance, and the modification that I brought to the bikes. I will be streaming live from training sessions where you will see crashes, and if you're lucky, you're gonna meet MotoGP riders, Moto2 riders, Moto3 riders, and some famous riders from Spain. I will be sharing with you what type of protective gear I have and I use during my trainings. We will have cycling days where I will do cycling and I will show you around Spain and the area where I live. We're gonna have mornings together where I will do trainings with my body weight, and we're gonna do some stretching together. We're gonna have coffee with the dog. We're gonna go out for a 40-minute walk where we'll be talking about what you guys would like to. I will be sharing my traveling days. I will be sharing everything with you. So I'm welcoming you to my Twitch channel. The link will be below to this video. And I hope that I will receive the same amount of support that I received in this YouTube channel. So till then, full gas and see you on Twitch.